Okay, today's game is called Clockwork. Notice the gap between the words clock, work. Might change it at some point, but we'll see. So the idea is a little robot that you can move around by right clicking. Woo. And then you have this work order here. So these are the components that need to go in onto the conveyor belt into the machine. And you move this wheel by scrolling the mouse wheel. So let's pick up some gears. So you go towards it, you grab them, you come over here, puts the gears down, and then if you scroll this wheel here, you can scroll the conveyor belt. This little UI here, you see it changes when there's an object there, and then as soon as you move it away, it changes again. So you can put something down there. You can't put anything down there if there's something already there. Go to springs. And if you load these into the machine, you'll see that it updates itself depending on what you put in there. Another thing is this robot is clockwork powered, and he's run out of power now, so he won't move. So you need to scroll the wheel on him, and you see his power meter go up. Okay, and now we need some screws. We've got a spring, so we need to go to the bin, pick up some screws, scroll all the way down. A little item appears here, and then it says here you need to move this. So we'll pick that up, go to the chute, off it goes, and you get 20 points. Then you'll notice that the screen is now cleared. The work order has changed to something else. So we're now with these are the components we need to put in. This has emptied itself as well. And if for whatever reason you somehow manage to put, needs power. For whatever reason you put the wrong component in the screen, in the machine. Oh no, that's wrong. If you click this button here, it empties the machine and resets it. And that's the whole idea. To polish it a bit more, I'd probably give him an animation and then stop him from clipping through objects. These just need to be given a nav mesh obstacle, and then he won't bump straight into them. Otherwise, I'm pretty happy with this. Lots of colliders. This is a list, so there are 4 lists with the components in them, and then each list is assigned a number, and then every time you complete an object, another random number is generated and then is assigned to the current work order. Then it picks the next work order. This is also a list here, so every time you put an object into the machine, it assigns that object to the list, and then it goes down like that. Otherwise, it's pretty similar to the cat game I made earlier, last week or last time, with the UI kind of moving around, but it's a lot more complicated in terms of like the technical features. So I'm quite happy with it. And then when the timer runs out, you get 20 points. Try again, yes, and then everything is reset back to normal. And that is the game. Thank you very much, and I'll see you after the Easter break. Cheers, guys.